What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and as you all seen, if you follow me on Instagram, I bought another truck. And you guys are gonna say, oh, you already have another one, the white one. But that one's, to me, that's more like a race truck, burnout truck. I could, but I don't really want to drive that truck too much on the street because I'm afraid to get pulled over and, state ref and all that California bullshit. So yeah, this is the other truck that I bought. So let me show you guys real quick. Dun dun dun. Ta-da! So here it is. Ta-da! It's not the best looking truck yet, okay? I know it is. It does look a little beat up, and it actually is a little beat up. But what do you guys think? It is a stock 5.3. Look at this. 5.3 V8. It runs and drives. Like I said, it's beat up. It's not the best looking truck. But overall, it's not that bad of a truck. Interior wise, it's not all that great, but it's not the worst either. All this is just a door panel. The seats look good. It's electric windows, power locks. Like I said, it's not all that bad, but it's not all that great either, but it's good, honestly. Like, it's manageable. So yeah, there it is. So now I guess the biggest question is what to do with it. I really like this front end, and I really like it a lot because everyone that has this kind of truck always goes and puts the clone, the cat eye, and makes an SS clone out of it. And just to be like step side, not a lot of step sides are out there. So I'll post a picture right now, but I really want to go with like the HD hood, the HD grill, and then like the C71 valence. That C71 valence is the one that has like the round fog lights. Like I said, I'll post a picture right now and I'll show you guys. And just let me know what you guys think. Or should I change the front end and do like that cat eye clone type of thing? The cat eye. Like from 04 to 06. And leave the step side. Or do that cat eye and then do the fleet side bed. So comment and let me know what you guys think, what I should do. Color wise, I'm thinking of just repainting it burgundy. I really like the burgundy truck. If you guys been following me for a while, you guys know my 2016 Fakie, which burgundy. So I'm thinking of painting it somewhere like along the lines of the same color as that one. So yeah, like I said, drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. Is it too much of a junk of a truck, or is it a decent buy? Let me know. Stay tuned for this build. Damn, already putting it to work. A ver si no me la raya. Fuck. Ah, shoot. Ya la rayó. Fuck. Y run. No se raja mi troquita. Voy para la casa, vengo del Hondipo. Ahí está. Ahí está. ¡Ya me la rayaste! ¡Hija de tu pinche madre! ¿Mira? Oh my God. ¿Mira? Oh. I swear to God, look at that shit. No, come here. Come here. Look at that shit.
That wasn't
Wow, so this happened yesterday with all the moldings from Home Depot. Fucking crap. But there she is, put away.